Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make raw gingerbreads. If you are enjoying the video, remember to like, comment and subscribe. Firstly, we put in a blender soaked sunflower seeds. They should be soaked for at least 5 to 6 hours. We also add soaked linseeds. They also should be soaked for at least 5 to 6 hours. Now we blend everything together. To the mass we add some soaked nuts. I will use walnuts. And now blend everything again. Part of the mass we put in a bowl, so we will be able to blend the rest of the ingredients. We add soaked dates. They should be soaked for at least 2 to 3 hours. Just be aware because they can have pits inside. Now we put the mass in the bowl and combine with the rest. We need to add gingerbread spice to the mass. Also, add some rock salt. Now add some cacao if we want them to be more bitter, or carob if we want to make the gingerbread sweeter. We also add some coconut flour so the mass won't be too thin. We mix everything precisely. When the ingredients are already combined, put the mass on the pastry board or on a baking paper. It is best to sprinkle some coconut flour under the mass so it won't stick and it will be easier to pick up gingerbreads. We also sprinkle some flour on the top. We roll the mass the same as when making traditional gingerbreads. If someone don't have a rolling pin, you can use everything with the similar shape for example, a glass bottle. The thicker the mass is, the longer it will take to dry it. When the mass is rolled out, take the gingerbread molds. We will pick them up and put on the previously prepared dehydrator trays. You can put baking paper under gingerbreads, but it's not necessary. It is best to help yourself with a, for example, knife, so the gingerbreads won't break during picking them up. Gingerbreads are already drying up to 45 Celsius degrees. We can make some additions now. We can, for example, make chocolate from my previous recipes and use it as a topping, or make a frosting. To make a frosting, we will need 4 ingredients. Nuts, I will use walnuts, lemon juice, melted coconut oil, and also a banana. We combine the ingredients and it's ready. All links and ingredients needed for the recipe are of course in the description below. Bon appetit!